Hello, Sassy Nari. Welcome to Little Fixes podcast. And thank you so much for joining me. This is your host, Matri. On this podcast, we talk about mental health, freedom, relationships, and personal growth. So, have you tried taking 5 deep breaths, but it didn't do anything to reduce your stress? Maybe you have tried coloring, पर उससे दूसरे लोगों को तो अच्छा लगता है और आपको कोई चेंज फील नहीं होता अपनी मेंटल स्टेट में। ऐसा इसलिए होता है क्योंकि स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट इज नॉट वन साइज फिट्स ऑल। तो आज हम बात करेंगे स्ट्रेस रेगुलेशन के बारे में। हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि स्ट्रेस पे ध्यान देना क्यों ज़रूरी है, इसके क्या रेपरकशंस हो सकते हैं और उनको जानते हुए भी कई बार हम उन पे ध्यान क्यों नहीं देते हैं, और जो पॉपुलर स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट टेक्निक्स हैं वो कहाँ लैक करती हैं, और किस तरीके से हम स्ट्रेस को मैनेज करने की जगह रेगुलेट कर सकते हैं। मेरी गेस्ट है स्ट्रेस एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर अनुजा लूनिया। सो लेट्स हियर फ्रॉम हर। हाय अनुजा, वेलकम टू लिटिल फिक्सेस।
Thank you so much, Maitri. I'm very excited to be here.
आई एम ऑल्सो एक्साइटेड टू हैव यू हियर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट स्ट्रेस अनुजा।
Yep.
स्ट्रेस जो है हमें पता है, कई मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता भी हैं कि क्या-क्या प्रॉब्लम्स कॉज़ कर सकता है। लोग कहते हैं बीपी बढ़ जाता है, हार्ट में प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती हैं, हार्ट इश्यूज़ हो सकते हैं, इम्यून सिस्टम वीक हो जाता है, और मैंने आपकी लिंक्डइन पोस्ट में भी पढ़ा था, यू हैव मेंशन्ड ऑल ऑफ दीज़ थिंग्स। फिर
Yes.
हम एंग्शियस ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं, मेमोरी प्रॉब्लम्स, और हमारा बिहेवियर चेंज हो सकता है, और साथ में फिर ये सारी चीज़ें मिलके क्रोनिक डिजीज़ भी बना सकती हैं, राइट? कि ऑटो इम्यून
So,
डिसऑर्डर हो गया या कैंसर हो गया, इस तरीके की चीज़ें। और बहुत सारे लोगों को ये चीज़ पता है, राइट? कि हाँ, ये सब होता है स्ट्रेस से, पर हम इस चीज़ को इग्नोर क्यों करते रहते हैं?
I think it's because you know we have this tendency कि हमें नहीं दूसरों को हुआ है पर हमें ये नहीं होगा. That
हाँ।
very taken for granted tendency which is there. I think one it is that, and second I think it's because we're so busy all the time. We're like so busy all the time that we either tend to ignore it or we just underestimating what the impact of the stress can be. हम लोग बस सोचते हैं okay इस weekend को we will relax and take care of that stress. That
हुँ,
relaxing will manage that stress.
हुँ,
But that is not how you actually work through the stress which your body is feeling. So because we don't
हुँ।
actually work through it, that is why we come up with all these other health issues and everything. And once the issue starts, then we realize, oh my God, I was so stressed and इसलिए अब आज मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है.
एग्ज़ैक्टली, मेरा भी यही है कि चलो वीकडेज़ पे खूब सारा काम
Hmm.
करते हैं, एंड
Hmm.
अ लॉट ऑफ अस लुक फॉरवर्ड टू द वीकेंड्स कि जब वीकेंड आएगा तब हम रिलैक्स करेंगे, और कई बार प्रैक्टिकल भी आई थिंक यही होता है। वी आर इन आवर जॉब्स और वी आर इन आवर बिज़नेसेस, वी आर इवन इफ वी आर होम मेकर्स, वी आर कंटिन्यूअसली अंडर स्ट्रेस कि हाँ, बच्चों को देखना है, स्कूल से लाना है, एक्टिविटी में ले जाना है। सारी चीज़ें कंटिन्यूअसली चलती रहती हैं, एंड फिर जब वीकेंड आता है हमें लगता है अब रिलैक्स होंगे, तो सम पीपल आर लकी दे गेट टू रिलैक्स, बट नॉट
Or we have,
एवरीवन इज सो लकी, राइट?
right, we have personal commitments then.
हाँ, फिर लगता है कि सामान लेकर आना है, घर को थोड़ा
Hmm.
ऑर्गेनाइज करना है, किसी से मिलना है या किसी को डिनर पे बुलाना है, like, बहुत सारी चीजें हो जाती हैं। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि यू आर एवर आउट ऑफ इट। ऐसी
Right.
सिचुएशन बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ होगी, तो व्हाट आर योर ऑब्जर्वेशंस?
I don't think it's बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ. I think it's सबके साथ, including me.
हाँ।
It is everybody. But I think हमें ना we have to find a different way of managing this stress because it's going to happen every single day. Stress doesn't see कि weekend है या weekday है या you're sick or your child's sick. It doesn't matter, right?
हम्म।
So we just need to actually find a different way of managing it on a daily basis and carve out that time to work on that, even if it's just like 2 minutes a day. Even that's two
हम्म।
minutes make a difference. And I
हाँ।
think that is what will give us that shift from feeling that continuous impact of stress all day, every single hour, every minute.
हाँ, ओके। एंड अनुजा,
So,
इन योर एक्सपीरियंस डू यू फील कि किसी एक पर्टिकुलर जेंडर में स्ट्रेस ज़्यादा होता है, ज़्यादा जल्दी फील करते हैं?
absolutely. Actually, it's been found that women are 4 times more prone to stress than
ओह माय
men.
गॉड! हाँ,
And
हाँ।
so, of course, the society and social aspect is there, which I'll get into it in a bit. But from a biopsychosocial perspective, if we see,
हुँ,
so biologically, we have more hormones than men,
हुँ,
right? We have our estrogen, progesterone, reproductive hormones, which are there, right? So they play a very important role in our overall health and how our body manages stress. and response to stress. That's one.
Mhm.
Psychologically, women are natural multitaskers. Everything is on us, and we tend to always multitask. That is naturally there in us as women because
Uh-huh.
we are the ones who reproduce,
Uh-huh.
right? So that also puts a lot of stress on the body. The body manages stress at a different level. Also, our women's brains are mapped out differently, so that is we are more prone to stress with that also.
Uh-huh.
And the social aspect actually just worsens this whole thing because even if we could like manage our biological part and the psychological part, which we can, it's very easy to
Mhm.
manage that part. The social part makes it really hard because it's not only the hustle culture or patriarchy, it's that conditioning which has happened over generations for us. That all the responsibility in the house, for example, is the woman's. I know it's
Hmm.
shifting now, but it's still there quite a bit.
Yeah.
And even if suppose we have family members supportive, okay, we'll take on the load, and you have that environment, as women we still take it on,
Mhm.
right? Because we have been conditioned that way. And there's this invisible you could say responsibility of us managing other people's emotions. Like we are responsible for the other for
Yeah.
everyone else's emotions, which
Yes.
is not true, right? So
Uh-huh.
I think all of these things together is what makes things worse for women when it comes to stress. uh I'm not saying only women face stress, even men face stress.
Yeah.
I think for them it's more about always being on the go, always being the tough person in the room, never showing your emotions. It's more social for them, for men.
Uh-huh.
But
Uh-huh.
for women, the biological part also comes in, which kind of complicates the whole thing.
ओके, तो फिर अगर दोनों का स्ट्रेस लेवल अलग-अलग है, अलग-अलग
Hmm.
रीज़न्स भी हैं कई जगह पे,
Hmm.
तो
Hmm.
फिर कोपिंग मैकेनिज़म्स भी अलग-अलग होंगी?
Nahin, that's the best part of it. See, even
ओके,
if we are men and women, we all have the same nervous system. So when we
हाँ।
talk about stress, now there's one thing called as stress management.
हुँ,
है ना? But stress management is very generic and incomplete. It's good, but it's incomplete. Okay? Stress regulation, the part which I work on, is basically where we work depending on what your nervous system state is. Abhi, whether you're a man, woman, or child, irrespective, you have the same nervous system,
हुँ,
right? है ना? So when we work depending on where your nervous system is, what your nervous system state is, it makes it all the strategies become gender neutral. Basically, it works for
ओके।
everyone. And one added layer which we can do for women is to cycle sync these strategies,
हुँ, या।
which help with the biological part of the woman's stress.
हुँ, ओके। तो हमने इतनी सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस की अनुजा कि स्ट्रेस कहाँ से आता है, किसको ज़्यादा होता है, किसको कम होता है और कोप कैसे कर सकते हैं। तो इसी इसी में थोड़ा डिटेल में जाते हैं कि
Okay.
एक तो जो आप सजेस्ट करो कोई कोपिंग मैकेनिज़्म्स हों, स्ट्रैटेजीज़ हों जो हम यूज़ कर सकें। साथ ही मैं ये भी इसी में ऐड करना चाहूँगी कि क्योंकि हमें लोग कहते हैं कि स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, मत लो, राइट? टॉक्सिक एनवायरनमेंट है, छोड़ दो। वो नहीं हो पाता है। बहुत सारे ऑब्लिगेशंस होते हैं। वी चूज़ टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच वी प्रोबब्ली डोंट वांट टू बट वी हैव टू बिकॉज़ ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ रीज़न्स। तो फिर ऐसी सारी सिचुएशन को कंसिडर करते हुए हम कैसे अपने स्ट्रेस को मैनेज कर सकते हैं या एज़ यू से रेगुलेट कर सकते हैं?
So अनहेल्दी एनवायरनमेंट जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हो, टॉक्सिक वर्क एनवायरनमेंट जो है वो घर पे हो, बाहर हो, कहीं पर भी, इट इज समथिंग वी ऑल हैव टू डील विथ. पर
हुँ,
आई थिंक few things which can really help us live well even in those situations is एक तो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. वन इज बीइंग अवेयर कि हाँ मुझे इस चीज से स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, पर गोइंग टू द डीपर अवेयरनेस कि व्हाई एम आई रिस्पॉन्डिंग दिस वे, व्हाई एम आई रिएक्टिंग दिस वे, द क्यूरियोसिटी विच कम्स इन, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Second is a lot of us, especially I think women, it's difficult for us to set boundaries and maintain those boundaries. Now, the boundaries can be with other people and with ourselves both. A lot of
हुँ,
times, we may be able to maintain our boundaries with other people. We may not maintain the boundaries with us. That actually happens to me a lot. So I can relate to that. And also, अगर उस environment में आपके पास it is toxic, it is not healthy for you, you don't feel good in the environment. In spite of that, if you have like good connections, other relationships, which give you that space to be yourself, which are your safety net, you can say,
हुँ,
all of these things will help you, you could say, respond better to that unhealthy environment. आप उससे शायद निकल नहीं पाओ, but you may be able to have the capacity in your nervous system to manage that situation better or that environment better. तो आप
Mm-hmm.
ऐसे सोचो कि लेट्स से कि आपको राइट नाउ आप इतने स्ट्रेस्ड हो इन दैट एनवायरनमेंट दैट यू आर ऑलवेज रिएक्टिंग. लेट्स से यू आर लैशिंग आउट व्हेनेवर दैट ट्रिगर हैपेंस इन दैट एनवायरनमेंट, ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल. पर अगर यू हैव वर्कड ऑन योर नर्वस सिस्टम, यू हैव रेगुलेट, यू आर एक्टिवली रेगुलेटिंग योर स्ट्रेस, आपके पास वो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस है, यू आर मेंटेनिंग दोस बाउंड्रीज, यू हैव दोस कनेक्शंस टू सपोर्ट यू. What will happen is that your nervous system develops that capacity and tolerance कि okay मुझे पता है कि इस सिचुएशन में ये ट्रिगर आने वाला है, but I will choose not to respond to it, or I will choose to not react and lash out. So आप it gives you that freedom of choice to take a decision based on what you want and what works best for you.
Mm-hmm.
So I think
Oh.
stress regulation से that benefit which comes especially in unhealthy environments, especially जहाँ पे हम लोग help नहीं मांग सकते. Let's say
Mm-hmm.
कि we can't call up our friend and talk about it, vent about it. Like, for example,
Mm-hmm.
we can't get out of that situation. This is one of the best things you can do. Ki you have your own space over there. In mentally, at least you know you can build that space, and at the same time, you are able to take care of yourself in that space. Because, like we spoke about earlier, अगर आप stress का ध्यान नहीं रखोगे, you are going to see it coming to you as disease and illness and other issues are going to happen.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And your environment's a very important role in that.
Yes, and I'd like to get deeper into that. But before that,
Okay.
Anuja, we want to know your experience with stress. कि आप इस फील्ड में क्यों आई? क्योंकि मैंने लिंक्डइन पे देखा है आपका थोड़ा कि आपकी स्टोरी बहुत डिफरेंट है. तो वी वांट टू नो कि आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा एंड हाउ डिड यू टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ द सिचुएशन?
Okay. So the story starts, I think, 20 years ago. Um, I was diagnosed with a autoimmune condition, IBD, inflammatory bowel disease, and उस time पे I was 19 years old. I had no idea what is stress and all that, but I did know that I didn't have my last 4 years were very difficult before my diagnosis. I had my sister was diagnosed with cancer. I moved out for college. I lost my sister during that same time. There was a lot of stress during that period, and it came up as this autoimmune diagnosis. And the first thing, like when you go to a doctor, they tell you that you have to take medicines. It's going to be rest of your life. It's going to be there. And I thought, okay, medicine se manage ho jayega. I didn't take it seriously. But then what happened is I realized that without lifestyle change, that shift which I'm looking for, the quality of life which I want to live, is not going to happen. So that's how I got into fitness. That's how actually my whole trajectory started. And after I got into fitness, I ended up starting my own business where I started a rehab center for seniors because I love seniors. I love working with them. And मैंने वो चालू किया था. And उसके पीछे पीछे ladies fitness and then family fitness चालू हो गया. So for 6 years I ran that. And that time I did not have any flare-ups with my autoimmune condition. So I could run that. And during that time, I developed some other health issues, like which happens with autoimmune conditions.
Okay.
And that's when I went into health coaching. Then I became a behavior change specialist, and I went into health coaching. And in 2020, so 2018, again, I had a very big stressor come into my life. 2 years, I thought I was dealing with it, but I was actually coping and distracting myself, not working through it. And I did not realize it at that point of time. And 2020, I again had the flare up of my IBD condition, autoimmune. So for
Mhm.
4 years, 2020 to 2023, I was like homebound. I was on bed rest basically. I could not walk from the bedroom to the hall. I had to take mom and dad's help to reach the bathroom. Simple things like that became really very difficult. I was on liquid diet for like 9 months. I lost 16 kgs of my weight. So I couldn't work. Nothing happened. And then the doctors gave a diagnosis that it's either immunosuppressants and surgery. That's like the last stage. Nothing else can be done after that. But then quality of life becomes really negligible. And I was
Mhm.
like, I can't live like I know me. I can't live like that. And that's when I started searching for, I shifted out of allopathy. I went into homeopathy. I started searching online. And that's when I found the gut microbiome, biohacking, nervous system regulation. And when I started doing that for myself, I built up my own meal plan because I did not trust nutritionists at all with my food. So I did it from scratch for myself. I learned techniques to work on my nervous system. I understood what the nervous system can do for the first time. I mean, coming from a physiotherapy background, I know what the nervous system is, etc., and all of that stuff. But to understand how it impacts your life on an everyday basis happened in the last 4 years. And when I
Mhm.
started doing the work on myself, I got well enough to start taking online consultations again. for my clients. So I started using it on them, and the transformation I saw in them was unbelievable. Better than mine, but mine was way more ahead, the disease process. Theirs was
Mhm.
different. And that's when I got into, like, I deep dived into it, that, what is exactly, what is the role of stress, how it affects your nervous system, how your nervous system affects your hormones, the other organ systems in your body, and how it comes up in your life. And not just as disease, but how it changes your perceptions, how it changes how you see yourself, how you see other people, your self talk, your mindset, everything changes because of that one silly thing called as stress. That's it. Okay. And
Mhm.
that is when I also came across this thing where, so till now, this nervous system regulation has been very gate kept. Okay, it's
Okay.
not been opened up.
Uh-huh.
Recently, it's opening up now thanks to
Yeah.
social media, but it's happened only in the last 4 years. It was not there before that, like open for the masses, and it's still not come in India that much. So I was like,
Mhm.
okay, this has been brought to India because we are right now facing a stress epidemic, of course, because we are one of the most stressed out countries in the world. 77% Indians are stressed today, if you can
Wow.
imagine. 77%. And more of them are the younger generation who are more aware already.
Mhm.
So the thing was that, one, it's not there in India. Second, our culture makes it, and society makes it very different for us to take on the science aspects which come from abroad, is what I felt. And that's when I thought that we should have something like this in India. And that's when I started, like, learning, do my certifications. And I decided to write a book on it because I can't quote so many people. So I was like,
Mhm.
okay, let me write a book on it, but make it fun. So that is how the whole process and my story happened.
Wow, very interesting. You took the worst of your experiences and made something beautiful out of it. So it's very inspiring, Anuja.
Thank you.
और आपने ये बोला कि you were at on bed rest और उसके बाद you made such a big shift. तो माइंडसेट में ऐसा क्या शिफ्ट आया? बिकॉज़ सेल्फ पिटी में वॉलो करना बहुत आसान है, गिव अप
Mm.
कर देना बहुत आसान है. तो हाउ डिड यू जस्ट गेट अप एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग व्हाट यू नीडेड टू?
Um, I think I've had very strong role models.
Mhm.
Uh, so my sister, she was younger than me. When she was diagnosed with cancer, her first question wasn't, "Will I get better?" Her first question was, "Can I cut my hair to the length that she wanted?" And she was 16, 15 years old
Mhm.
at that time. So seeing how she coped with cancer, and when I was also not staying there, I was in hostel that time. That She was my strength, honestly. And then when I felt sick again in the last 4 years, I have seen my mom and dad all these years, and they are like, perfect role models for me. Like how it is when you push through, you are resilient, you stay strong. So I was lucky that way. I had good friends, support who were there, genuinely there for me. And I think, yeah, that was there, but I don't know how to quit. That's one thing which is there in me. I just don't know how to quit. I mean, I can let go if it doesn't work for me, but I can't, like, give up. So that was
Mhm.
always there in me, I think. And I think maybe one more thing which comes, I don't know if this is true, but I feel it is, that my great grandparents are freedom fighters. So,
Mhm.
we draw a lot of inspiration from that legacy which we hold in our family.
Wow.
And I was like, हम दम नहीं तोड़ सकते. I cannot give up till I have tried every single last thing. And if it doesn't work, ठीक है, जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा. But I
Mhm.
needed to try my best at least. And I know कि allopathy cannot give me that because allopathy is always sick care. It's not health care, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
तो आपके जो कन्वेंशनल क्या बोल रही हूँ, कंजर्वेटिव ट्रीटमेंट्स जो होते हैं उसमें इतने ऑप्शंस हैं आजकल कि आई फील लाइक वी डोंट टैप इनटू दैट इनफ. एंड दैट
Mhm.
इज व्हाट आई टैप्ड इनटू, एंड दैट इज वेयर आई गॉट दैट डिफरेंस.
हुँ, ओके।
सो
तो अनुजा अगर हमें अपने स्ट्रेस पे वर्क करना है, तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू बी वेरी श्योर कि हम स्ट्रेस्ड हैं और बिकॉज़ वी सी एवरीवन लाइक अस इट इज़ वेरी कॉमन टू से कि स्ट्रेस हो रहा है। मेरी छोटी-सी बच्ची है 7 साल की, शी इज़ लाइक मम्मा आई एम फीलिंग वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड। तो आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाउ डू वी नो इफ वी आर फीलिंग स्ट्रेस्ड, इफ वी आर एक्चुअली स्ट्रेस्ड एंड पीपल अराउंड अस कि हाँ, ये स्ट्रेस में है। क्या उसके साइन्स हो सकते हैं?
I think the biggest sign is that you don't feel like yourself. Like you may
हुँ,
be
हुँ।
feeling discomfort within you, the smallest of discomforts also. यू मे थिंक दैट योर कॉम्प्रिहेंशन इज रिड्यूस, या आपका ब्रेन फॉग हो रहा है, या आपको ये चीज़ के बारे में बार बार आप सोच रहे हो एंड यू हैविंग नर्वसनेस या वरी हो रही है, और
हुँ,
यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट समथिंग, अब थॉट्स बंद ही नहीं हो रहे हैं, ओवर थिंकिंग चल रही है रात, लेट्स से कि कल सुबह योर डॉटर हैज एन एग्जाम और टेस्ट, क्लास
हुँ,
टेस्ट, एंड रात भर उसके दिमाग में टेस्ट के बारे में चल रहा है, वो सो नहीं पा रही है ठीक से, दैट इज स्ट्रेस, राइट?
हुँ,
एग्जाम के पहले इफ यू शी इज नर्वस, यू नो, बिफोर शी गोज फॉर द एग्जाम, तो शी से मम्मी पेट में गुड़गुड़ गुड़गुड़ हो रही है, तो वो भी
हुँ,
स्ट्रेस है। बट देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ स्ट्रेस जो अपने को देखना है। एक तो जो अपना अक्यूट स्ट्रेस या इंटरमीडिएट स्ट्रेस जो आता है कभी कभार, जो आता है लाइक एग्जाम के पहले का जो नर्वसनेस है, दैट इज
हुँ,
नॉर्मल। Okay,
ओके,
that comes once you've done that trigger, or the stress situation is over, like the exam is over, तो आपका स्ट्रेस खत्म हो गया,
हाँ,
राइट?
यस,
दूसरा स्ट्रेस है जो goes on, like let's say unhealthy environment, toxic relationship, you have been let's say struggling with a gut issue, for example, for a long time, or any other hormonal issue or health issue. All these smaller examples are where your stress is constant. अब बहुत बार हम बोलते हैं कि हम स्ट्रेस्ड है, पर हम सोचते हैं स्ट्रेस इज इन द माइंड, राइट?
हाँ, बोला जाता है।
हाँ, पर स्ट्रेस माइंड में नहीं होता है, स्ट्रेस बॉडी में स्टार्ट होता है। इट इज़
हाँ,
योर
हाँ,
बॉडी रिस्पॉन्स। सो यू मे एक्सपीरियंस इट इन योर माइंड बिकॉज़ ऑब्वियसली बॉडी सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन नर्वस सिस्टम के थ्रू आपके ब्रेन को भेज रही है।
हुँ,
बट द स्ट्रेस रिस्पॉन्स जो है वो आपके ऑर्गन्स में चालू होता है, आपके सेल्स में चालू होता है इन द बॉडी।
हाँ, हाँ, ओके,
So that is why बहुत बार when you know you have a deadline or you have to go on stage or you have an exam, any situation which comes up like that, you will have like for example you know palpitation होंगे, या
हुँ,
fast breathing होगी, sweating होंगे, sweaty palms होंगे, butterflies in the stomach होंगे. Even if you're going on a date, butterflies in the stomach happen, right?
हुँ,
So all these are physical responses of your body saying कि I am under a little stress.
हुँ,
अब आप उस स्ट्रेस को रेगुलेट करके आपका सिचुएशन ठीक हो गया, यू हैव रिकवर फ्रॉम द स्ट्रेस, परफेक्ट। दैट स्ट्रेसर व्हिच कॉज दैट लिटिल स्ट्रेस मेक्स यू मोर रेजिलिएंट, व्हिच इज ग्रेट फॉर
हुँ,
अस, राइट? बिकॉज
ओके,
अपनी स्ट्रेस टॉलरेंस कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाती है।
हाँ,
But let's say that you hypothetically went on that date, okay, and your gut was saying कि नहीं नहीं मत जाओ करके, but फिर भी गए, you end up in a relationship with that person, and that relationship is toxic. Or you're having lots of fights, you're having a lot of arguments, you have a lot of passive aggressive behavior, let's say, for example.
हुँ,
All of that causes a constant state of stress and worry for you in your mind, in your body, right? That constant state of stressing out is what is not good for us, which leads to disease and us not
हुँ,
being ourselves anymore.
mhm, okay. So before we get into stress regulation, we
Hmm.
now I want to know Anuja कि जो ये ट्रेडिशनल वे है ऑफ कोपिंग विद स्ट्रेस, स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट, इसमें क्या कमियां हैं?
Okay, I love this topic. So, stress management usually tells us what is the most common stress management tips you have heard. I'm asking you, Maitri.
हाँ, मुझसे बोला जाता है कि डीप ब्रीदिंग कर लो,
Hmm.
या फिर जर्नल कर लो, मेडिटेट कर
Hmm.
लो।
Hmm.
तो डीप ब्रीदिंग एंड मेडिटेशन डज़ नॉट वर्क फॉर मी। और बिकॉज़ मुझे और ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस लगने लगता है कि मैं ये सिचुएशन को छोड़ के क्यों ब्रीथ कर रही हूँ। और या फिर बोला जाता है कि डू समथिंग व्हिच यू एन्जॉय। तो दैट आई लाइक डूइंग कि मान लो बहुत स्ट्रेस में हूँ, कई बार थॉट नहीं आता है, लेकिन अगर आ गया तो चलो थोड़ा-सा लिख लेते हैं या कुछ पढ़ लिया या कलरिंग कर ली। तो थोड़ी देर के लिए यू कम आउट ऑफ इट, बट आई थिंक वन्स यू आर डन, यू आर बैक इन इट।
Yeah. You just explain what is incomplete in stress management right now. But I love the fact कि आपने बोला कि deep breathing and meditation doesn't work for you, it makes you feel worse, right?
हुँ,
This is because stress management is just telling you what to do to manage and take care of your stress in that moment,
हुँ,
right? But every single person, like you just mentioned, it doesn't work, all these techniques. Meditation doesn't work for me. It makes me
हुँ,
extremely agitated.
हुँ,
It used to before, now it doesn't. This is because stress management doesn't take into account your nervous system state. Stress regulation में क्या होता है? It hinges, the whole heart of stress regulation is your nervous system. So if you are okay with it, I'll explain it quickly.
हाँ,
So
हाँ,
people,
येस।
yeah, okay. So think of it this way, that we have an entire nervous system, so the entire wiring in our body, right?
हुँ,
But we're going to focus only on the autonomic nervous system, which has two parts.
हुँ,
आजकल सबको पता है ये, sympathetic fight or flight या parasympathetic rest and digest,
हुँ,
right? But stress regulation works on something called as the polyvagal theory. Okay,
Hmm.
so let's take for example, you have a car and you're driving it downhill. Okay, now
Mhm.
whenever we drive a car downhill, we always keep the brake engaged ताकि
Hmm.
स्पीड बढ़ नहीं जाए, है ना?
Yeah.
तो नर्वस सिस्टम के पास एक सिमिलर ब्रेक है कॉल्ड द वेगस नर्व. ओके,
Hmm.
नाउ जब ये वेगस नर्व एंगेज्ड है, द ब्रेक इज अप्लाइड to keep the speed controlled. That time you're at your best. You're grounded, you're balanced, you're calm, you're present, you're living your most authentic self in that moment. Okay. But let's say कि अभी आपको कोई डेडलाइन आई है, एग्जाम आया है, सम मीटिंग हैज कम अप जहाँ पे यू नीड मोर एनर्जी एंड फोकस. तो क्या होता है दैट यू रिलीज द ब्रेक स्लाइटली, राइट? सो द कार स्पीड
Mhm.
इंक्रीजेस. Same way, your nervous system has more energy in it to meet the demand which has come up in your life. Now, this demand can be even maybe a deadline, maybe like checking and submitting a check, a difficult check which you wanted to complete, or it could even be running away from a lion. Like
Mhm. Yeah.
evolutionary, it was for running away or fighting a lion, right?
Mhm.
But now we use it for different aspects in the modern world. And now let's say that some situation has happened कि वो आपका nervous system का break continuously released है,
Mhm.
right? तो continuously energy आ रही है body में and you're stuck in that state. So nervous system का role basically ये है कि it has to keep you safe because its job is to keep you alive. That is the nervous system's job. ठीक है?
Mhm.
Now let's say कि ब्रेक काम नहीं कर रहा है ठीक से, तो आप गाड़ी में हैंड ब्रेक खींचते हो टू मेंटेन द स्पीड और
Yeah.
स्टॉप द कार, करेक्ट?
Mhm.
सेम वे नर्वस सिस्टम हैज अ हैंड ब्रेक कॉल्ड इज योर डॉर्सल वेगल और शट डाउन स्टेट. So this is a
Mhm.
protective mechanism. यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि you start feeling like flat, numb, sad. You might feel like किसी से बात नहीं करनी है. I just want to be by myself today. You might procrastinate. All of these situations come in here. Now, whether आप fight or flight में जाओ, जहाँ पे energy ज़्यादा है body में, या आप shut down में जाओ, either way, are normal nervous system states for us. Okay.
Mhm.
Problem तब होती है when we get stuck in one state and we can't come back to regulation, we can't come back to baseline, which is where the brake is engaged.
Okay.
Okay. So stress regulation basically helps you become aware of which state you're in. So there's this entire, you could say, chapter or table or map like thing where we understand what thoughts, behaviors, body sensations, and emotions happen in each nervous system state.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
so these are the main three states which we have. Now, once you understand which state you're in, you can decide which tool to pick up to regulate that state and come back to baseline, come back to balance. Okay,
Okay.
so let's say that आपने बोला कि meditation and deep breathing doesn't help you,
Mm.
right? When you say deep breathing in stress management, it doesn't tell you which deep breathing. For example, अगर आप sympathetic में हो या fight or flight में हो, जब break release हुआ है, that time you need to do normal inhale, longer exhale. So you release that energy out, or you need to walk, or you need to like move, or do something which activity which gets you to release that energy from that body. For example,
Hmm.
लेट्स से दैट आपका हैंड ब्रेक पुल किया आपने तो आप शट डाउन या डॉर्सल वेगल में हो, ठीक है?
Hmm.
उस टाइम पर यू नीड टू डू अ ब्रीदिंग वेयर योर इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल इज इक्वल.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, simple. I'm giving you the simplest things. Or you need to do movements or correct your posture in such a way that you need to put energy back into your body. So your body can generate that energy by releasing the brake slightly. हैंड ब्रेक को रिलीज करके ब्रेक वापस से काम करने लगे. दैट इज हाउ वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन द शट डाउन स्टेट. और अगर आप
Okay.
सपोज रेगुलेटेड है, बैलेंस्ड है, ब्रेक एंगेज्ड है, यू कैन एंकर इनटू दैट स्टेट by doing different techniques. For example, you can do grounding, you can do a meditation over there. Meditation will work
Oh.
beautifully when you're regulated.
Okay.
And
Okay.
again, across these three states, intensities होती हैं. कभी कभी you'll realize, I'm just irritable. But sometimes you're so irritable that you're ready to throw something at somebody's head, right?
Mhm.
We have different
Mhm.
intensities. तो
Mhm.
इंटेंसिटी के हिसाब से भी आपके टेक्निक्स अलग होते हैं.
ओके, तभी एक टेक्निक हर किसी के लिए वर्क नहीं करती है। मुझे कोई मिलेगा,
एग्जैक्टली.
कोई बता देगा कि 4, 5, 7 ब्रीथिंग करो, कोई बता देगा बॉक्स ब्रीथिंग करो, कोई बता देगा
एग्जैक्टली.
सुदर्शन क्रिया करो। मुझे लगता है यार ये सब लोगों के लिए वर्क कर रहा है। कई ब मुझे क्यों नहीं वैसा फ़ील हो रहा है, बट नाउ आई नो कि डिफरेंट स्टेट्स हैं, तो आपको डिफरेंट तरीके की मैकेनिज़म्स चाहिए।
Exactly.
हाँ।
और इसके साथ if you want to tie it in, your gut health comes into picture, your lifestyle comes into picture, your the way you work comes into picture, your self-talk, mindset, all that comes into the picture, and then you can work all of these things along with your nervous system, and that is when you learn to build that tolerance and resilience in your nervous system. We have it. We have to just,
हुँ,
you could say, reignite it. We all
ओके।
have it. That's all we need to
हुँ,
do. Restart it.
ओके मतलब इसके बहुत सारी लेयर्स हैं एक रेगुलेटेड नर्वस सिस्टम की और उस पे आप धीरे-धीरे करके वर्क कर सकते हो। इट्स नॉट अ क्विक
Hmm.
फिक्स कि किसी ने कुछ बता दिया, ये कर लिया, हो गया। अरे तुमसे
Hey,
नहीं हो
quick
रहा।
fixes भी है. Quick fixes
अच्छा।
भी हैं.
या आई एक्चुअली हैव दैट क्वेश्चन कि मोमेंट में
Okay.
हम क्या कर सकते हैं बट बिफोर दैट आई एक्चुअली
Hmm.
वांट टू नो कि हम क्योंकि नर्वस सिस्टम रेगुलेशन की बात कर रहे हैं एंड आई हैव बीन रीडिंग अ लॉट अबाउट इट मतलब सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत ज़्यादा पोस्ट
Hmm.
आने लगे
Hmm.
हैं
Hmm.
रेगुलेटर की और आई थिंक डॉक्टर निकोल लपेरा शी टॉक्स अ लॉट अबाउट दीज थिंग्स तो अ, जो रेगुलेटेड नर्वस सिस्टम है कैसा लगता है कैसा दिखता है कैसा फील होता है आई मीन
ऐसा फील होता है. Okay. Imagine being your most creative self. Okay. Imagine being completely comfortable with uncertainty. Okay. Not feeling the need to control. If someone even, let's say, lashes out at you because they are having a bad day, you are able to take that pause and see it from their perspective in that moment itself.
वाओ
Okay.
ओके
And imagine having complete self confidence, self esteem, good self esteem, like really good self esteem in yourself, holding yourself for the value that you know your worth. All of those things we talk about, in self love and everything, all that is in your ventral vagal state or your regulated state. That is how it is. Your health is good, your mood is good, your energy is good, your sleep is good, your relationships are good. It happens. See, it's uh while I'm saying all of this, I think it's important for me to say this disclaimer that we cannot our goal with regulating your nervous system is not about staying always regulated. You can't always be regulated. That is not normal.
ओके
You can't always be calm, right? So it is natural for us to shift into sympathetic, shift into shutdown, but come back. Our goal is to come back to baseline. So stress regulation basically helps you come back to baseline. But there will be days, let's say आप एक घर में रह रहे हो, कुछ झगड़ा हुआ है घर में, let's say with your partner, and in that moment you're very upset and angry. So regulation doesn't mean that you ignore that emotion and regulate it immediately. It also teaches you कि it's okay to feel that emotion. But it's
हुँ,
important to let go of it also after a point of time. उसको पकड़ के नहीं रख रहे हैं हम जो normally करते हैं,
हुँ, हुँ। हाँ,
है ना? तो that's I think it's
समथिंग टू
important to
दैट
remember
इफेक्ट।
that.
येस, आई एग्री क्योंकि कई बार ये भी एक मैसेज होता है कि आपको हमेशा काम रहना है, हमेशा पॉज़िटिव रहना है, जिसको अब लोग ख़ैर समझने भी लगे हैं कि ये टॉक्सिक पॉज़िटिविटी है, ये नहीं होना चाहिए। पर अगर नर्वस सिस्टम रेगुलेशन की बात करें अनुजा, तो इसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? सम प्रैक्टिकल वेज़ एंड देन वी विल गेट इंटू क्विक फिक्सेस बिकॉज़ पॉडकास्ट का नाम ही लिटिल फिक्सेस है। पर मुझे ये भी लगता है कि लिटिल फिक्सेस लॉन्ग टर्म में भी काम आते हैं और क्विक फिक्सेस शॉर्ट टर्म में तब काम आते हैं जब हम ऑलरेडी लॉन्ग टर्म पे कुछ वर्क कर चुके हों। राइट, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद
Yeah.
सम प्रैक्टिकल वेज ऑफ रेगुलेटिंग आवर नर्वस सिस्टम जो हम धीरे-धीरे कर सकें।
Okay. I think we'll talk about the stuff which people already know, so it'll be
हुँ,
easy for them to implement it. Okay. So breathing, like I mentioned, once you understand your nervous system states, right? So let's say you're anxious, agitated, irritable, angry, racing thoughts, too much energy in the body, fidgeting, all of that, right? So breathing technique, simple. Don't go for anything. Just breathe in through your nose, exhale through your mouth. So, right? When we do
हुँ,
this, let's tweak it a little bit. This technique works whichever intensity of your sympathetic you're in. Okay. All you have to do is inhale twice. So
ओके एंड
it's called a
एक्सहेल इन वन गो।
physiological sigh. Yes, to the mouth. So it's called a physiological sigh. So you
ओके,
inhale, and exhale. You want to try it with me?
ओके
Okay. Awesome. So inhale through your nose again and exhale through your mouth like a sigh. Open mouth.
यस तो
हाँ.
जब हम साय करते हैं तो हमें लगता है मुझे ये लगा अभी जब मैं साय कर रही थी तो
Hmm.
कि जब हम कई बार नहीं परेशान होते हैं तो बॉडी अपने आप ही ऐसे करते हैं हम तो मुझे लगता है हमारी बॉडी
Exactly.
को पता है कि वी हैव टू डू
Of
दिस।
course. Our body knows what to do. Problem ये हो रही है कि we are disconnected from our body and we are too much in our minds,
हुँ, हुँ,
right? तो the minute we connect with the body and even if you become aware कि ओ अभी मैंने naturally sigh किया है, you know,
हुँ,
that awareness itself helps in regulating. The body is
हुँ।
very smart, you know, all we have to do is like थोड़ा उसको credit देके give it some job to do कि तुम कर संभाल लो करके. That's all we need to do. So,
ओके।
shall we try one more technique for the shutdown state?
हाँ, ओके।
Yeah. So अभी जो हमने किया was for fight or flight,
हुँ,
right? So simple thing. अब हम नमस्ते करते हैं,
हुँ,
right? So whenever you're feeling stuck, sad, you're procrastinating, you're numb, you're shut down, किसी से बात करने की इच्छा नहीं है, or you're feeling a little depressed, this helps build that energy in your body. So all you have to do is hold your hand in namaste and press your palms together, hold for 10 counts, and release. Then again press your palms together for 10 counts and release. So do
हुँ।
it till you start feeling better, basically. Right now we've just done it one or two
ओके, तो
reps.
मतलब अपनी पाम्स को एक-दूसरे पे जितना टाइटली हो सके उतना
Huh,
तेज़ी से प्रेस करना है। ओके,
huh.
एंड देन वी विल
And
जस्ट
then
लूज़न।
release.
हाँ,
Loosen it. And then keep repeating it like 5 or 6 times and you start feeling that difference in your body.
हाँ, ओके।
So so these are quick fixes also. With these two techniques, they work SOS anytime. These two techniques. No matter
हुँ,
what the intensity is. I think the main part if you do it long, if you want to get long-term results, is the frequency at which you do it. I mean, let's say
हुँ,
you're going on stage for a talk, right? And that time you're a little nervous. So you just do your physiological sigh, you feel better, you go on stage and it's done. But if you're doing physiological sigh already 4, 5 times a day, let's say two in the morning, two in the afternoon, two in the evening, two at night, then what happens is when you do it before the going on stage, it works instantly because your body
हाँ।
recognizes that's a safety net for me.
हाँ, एंड यू आर ऑल्सो अवेयर कि आपको करना क्या है, आप कौन-सी स्टेट
Exactली,
में हो, क्या चीज़
exactly.
आपके लिए इस टाइम पे वर्क करेगी। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि बस जल्दी से कुछ सीख के करने लगे। अगर अच्छा है,
हाँ.
क्विक फिक्सेस आर ऑलवेज़ गुड, बट उसपे अगर हम ग्रेजुअली वर्क करते रहें तो इट नथिंग लाइक
See,
दैट।
quick fixes will only work if you've done the what do you say foundational work.
हाँ,
If for example, if you're not sleeping properly, you don't eat on time, anyway having consciously staying in toxic relationships. All of that if you're doing, and then you go like, okay, मुझे physiological side करके benefit चाहिए अभी in this moment, वो नहीं होने वाला है, time लगता है.
या, ओके, एंड व्हाट आर सम अदर वेज़?
Okay, simple things like grounding. A lot of people talk about grounding today.
हुँ,
Have you heard? Right?
आई
So,
हैव डन इट, या।
okay, so it can be barefoot walking, it can be lying down, it can be just, play having your hand in the mud, it can be sand on the beach, it can be in a garden, it can be gardening in your house, it can be anything. Okay?
हुँ,
Grounding works on every nervous system state. It is beautiful for your nervous system, for your inflammation levels which happen because of stress. It's absolutely like essential, foundational technique hai ye. That is one thing which you can use. One very, very important thing is I know a lot of people now just talk about, 1 hour before, after waking up, don't go on your screens. 1 hour before going to sleep, don't go on your screens. But
हुँ,
I think overall, we need to reduce our screen usage
हुँ,
because the more content we consume, you regulate how much ever you want. The amount of content and information we put into our brains today, our brain cannot stay regulated if with that amount of information. We have to reduce the information load on our brains. Does that make sense?
यस, यस, बिकॉज़
Yeah,
सिर्फ़ सुबह-शाम से नहीं होगा, मुझे भी लगता है ना, जैसे मैंने कुछ देख लिया, फिर लगता है कि अच्छा एक और देख लो, राइट? अगर आप रील देख
exactly.
रहे हो और इतनी अलग-अलग तरीके की इन्फॉर्मेशन ब्रेन में भर जाती है कि हमें लगता है हम बहुत बड़े ज्ञानी हो गए, बट एक्चुअली में हम सब कुछ भूल जाते हैं, वो कचरा बच जाता है।
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली सो एक तो चीज है कि आप सही इंफॉर्मेशन देखो सो यू हैव टू क्यूरेट योर अकाउंट्स टुडे टू मेक श्योर यू गेट द करेक्ट काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट व्हिच एक्चुअली हेल्प्स यू फील बेटर not
हाँ,
just any and every content that comes up on your feed which you watch.
यस।
Second thing is we have to reduce because it's not just social media. It's when you're taking in information when you're reading something, even
हुँ,
like if you say reading fiction, it is information going into the brain, right?
हुँ,
When you're having conversations with people, when you're prepping for a podcast, whatever you're doing, you have a lot of information coming in today. If we don't
हुँ।
curate the amount of information coming in today, you can do all the regulation in the world, it is not going to help. This is personal and professional experience, dono. This is one thing which they needs to be there. And I think the other thing that we can do is, at least in Indian households, recently, we used to always have, these bright tube lights in the
हाँ,
evenings
हाँ,
and
हाँ।
night at home, right? We should, the minute it's sunset, we should shift to very dim lighting. So
हुँ,
पुराने जमाने वाली येलो बल्ब्स,
हुँ, 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 हुँ।
है ना?
हमारे
So
घर में थे,
those,
लेकिन ट्यूबलाइट भी थी, बल्ब भी था। जब पढ़ना होता था
हाँ,
तो ट्यूबलाइट जलती थी और बाकी के टाइम बल्ब जला सकते हो आप।
करेक्ट। पर आप, द गोल इज कि आपको रात में अगर स्लीप चाहिए, इतना
हाँ।
लाइट एक्सपोजर से योर ब्रेन इज गेटिंग लाइट इम्पल्सेस, मतलब इस टेलिंग द नर्वस सिस्टम की कॉर्टिसोल रिलीज करो, अभी जगने का टाइम है। व्हेन
हुँ, हुँ,
एक्चुअली फ्रॉम सनसेट वी आवर बॉडी नेचुरली स्टार्ट्स वाइंडिंग डाउन कि सोना है।
हुँ,
See, the best, the I could say the best technique against stress, a chronic stress, is sleep. Now you
ओके।
may be saying that मैं 8 घंटे सोती हूँ and I wake up fresh, but are you getting that really deep quality sleep where you wake up feeling amazing? Where
हुँ,
you
हुँ।
jump out of bed and you feel like, okay, let's get on with the day, and आज मैं ये करूँगी, आज मैं वो करूँगी. It's not happening, right?
या
So one is that we need to reduce our content load, and second, after sunset, dim the lights.
हुँ, हुँ। और अगर
So
पढ़ना
these are
है तो
these
टेबल
foundational
लैंप में पढ़ो।
strategies. हाँ, बट
हाँ।
पेपर बुक पढ़ो, स्क्रीन पे
हुँ,
नहीं.
हुँ। हाँ, मतलब मैं अपने लिए भी देखूँ और अपनी डॉटर के लिए भी देखूँ कि उसको पढ़ना होता है तो ट्यूबलाइट जल रही है। बट इससे अच्छा है
हाँ,
कि उसको एक टेबल लैंप में बिठा दो।
एग्ज़ैक्टली.
ओके। और
सो
हमने हाँ, कंटिन्यू।
हुँ, टेल मी.
ओके। हाँ, सो आई वाज़ सेइंग कि हम धीरे-धीरे इन सब चीज़ों पे वर्क कर रहे हैं, सीख रहे हैं। तो व्हाट कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट टू फील लाइक? हम में क्या चेंज आएगा या हमें कैसा फील होगा?
ओके. सी, एक तो इमेजिन अ, हैविंग रियली गुड स्लीप, तो आपकी बॉडी को जो रेस्ट मिलना था वो मिला है, जो रेजुविनेशन होना था वो हुआ है. सो यू फील स्टार्ट फीलिंग बेटर एवरी मॉर्निंग. एंड वी ऑलवेज से, राइट, दैट योर how your morning goes sets the tone for the day. And that's very true. अगर आपकी मॉर्निंग टायर्ड एंड थकी हुई निकली है, तो पूरा दिन भी वैसे निकलने वाला है. आप बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे आप चिड़चिड़ रहने वाले हो. दैट इज नॉर्मल टेंडेंसी फॉर एनी ह्यूमन.
हुँ,
But if your morning is good, you feel good, right?
हुँ,
So your sleep becomes way better. The quality of your sleep becomes better. Overall, your health improves because stress is one thing which, it has an inflammatory response in the body. Now, every
हुँ,
disease which happens, any health issue, forget disease also. आप बोल रहे हो कि आपका पेट खराब है, एसिडिटी हो रही है आजकल, ज्यादा बर्प्स होते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल, या हेडेक हो रहा है, या आजकल आई एम हैविंग पेन ओवर हियर फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन माय नेक ओवर हियर करके, और या मेरा वर्टिको चालू हुआ है, और आई एम हैविंग अ माइग्रेन फॉर एग्जाम्पल. All of small issues happen because there's inflammation happening in the body. Because of the amount of stress the normal modern life में हमें we have today, right? Stress is like a integral part of modern day life. We have also low grade inflammation in our bodies.
हुँ,
So think of it ऐसे, अपन ठंड में आग लगाते हैं तो we set a bonfire, right?
हुँ,
पर आग बुझने के बाद वो embers रहते हैं जो अभी भी जल रहे होते हैं नीचे.
हुँ,
Have you seen that? Yeah. So those
हुँ,
embers which are still burning, right? Low grade inflammation is like that. So that inflammation is
हुँ,
always there. Hori bhi chingari di, any big stressor comes in and you're not been taking care of your stress, that can go into a full blown inflammation.
ओके।
Okay, so if you see like high blood pressure hai, diabetes hai, a lot of people have allergic cough nowadays. We say it's pollution based, but it
या
can be only pollution based and cause an effect in us because we already are inflamed.
हाँ, आई हैव इट।
We all have it today. Hmm. But the point is ki when your health is better, when you regulate your stress on a regular basis, the overall health becomes better, right? So the
हुँ,
inflammation drops. So you will have more energy, not just as a person, but every cell in your body gets more energy. When your cell has more energy through its mitochondria, what happens is that your body metabolizes better. So you won't put on fat, excess weight, which a lot of people have problems with today, right?
हुँ,
You won't have hormonal issues. All of that will not happen. And when your health is better, when you sleep better, your mood is great. If your
हुँ,
mood is great, that day nothing can stop you. You become an unstoppable force, right?
हुँ, या,
Yeah.
यस, यस।
Now, when you feel good, you have good energy, you'll automatically have good confidence. You'll have good self-esteem, right? You'll take better decisions which work in your favor without hurting anyone else, but they are good for you, right? You will be able to be more creative, you may be more productive, your brain will be sharper, your decision making capacity in the day will improve. Any roadblock does if it does come up, you will feel that you can manage it better. And the
Hmm.
best part is when you regulate your stress regularly, it starts making you like yourself more. The minute you start
Hmm.
liking yourself more, because a lot of people today, because of social media especially, वो comparison आ
हाँ.
जाता है. How much we know कि आता है, हमें नहीं करना है, और फिर भी वो कभी कभार आ जाता है. But
Hmm.
when you like yourself, the comparison doesn't have any power over you.
Hmm.
है ना? So maybe it's that you kind of anchor into that feeling good about yourself. So if you feel good about yourself, you will see people in a better light. अब बहुत बार आप देखोगे, I think 25 years ago, if you smiled at someone, people would smile back at you. Today, no one smiles back at you. It is the most weird thing which I've seen. Okay, no one smiles back at you because there's this thing which happens in the nervous system, which I read and I found very fascinating.
Hmm.
Let's say that we are looking at each other and having a conversation, but if I'm
Hmm.
dysregulated, okay, if I'm not regulated but I'm stressed out, you may be seeing something very nice to me, your facial expressions will be something which are like in my favor, but I will read them wrongly. I will read them as you're against me and you're out to get me.
Hmm. Wow. Okay.
Okay, so your nervous system, your and the stress levels which you have will impact or influence your perception of how other people are behaving with you, how other people are as they are. So even relationships which were good can sour off because of how your nervous system state is. You may either see the world as an amazing, beautiful place where possibilities are endless if you're regulated, or you may see the world as a horrible, terrible place which is just burning up and going to get destroyed.
Hmm. So it makes a difference. It makes a massive
Yes.
difference as to what
Yeah.
all you have explained it to us. So Anuja, I really enjoyed this conversation. मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली. And if I want to take it forward, which I really do, and I'm sure my listeners also do, so we want to know about your work and about your book.
Okay. So I now only do workshops and corporate events. I do not do any coaching right now. But if someone is really in need, I do consultations one on one, but that is very selective. About my book. Okay, my book is called Relax, Play, Thrive. I have it here. I have a test copy to show you. So this is the
Hmm.
Relax, Play, Thrive,
Colorful. Okay.
and it is India's first stress regulation activity book. So normally, when you see any book, when you hear book, you think reading,
Huh.
right? But this book basically is about playing your stress away.
Mm-hmm.
You regulate your nervous system through play. So there are, think of it like, puzzles you solved as a kid, the games
Mm-hmm.
we played when we were kids, right? Treasure hunts, escape rooms, word searches, etc., etc. But they are all embedded with over 140 strategies which help you regulate stress. So these strategies are like everything that we've spoken about today. It goes from self-awareness till resilience. It works on your nervous system, on your gut, on your lifestyle, on optimization also, like through biohacking. It works on your movement, myofascia, everything. So everything I have learned in 16 years in my experience and in my personal journey, my insights, everything is in this book. But the entire book is designed to make it very accessible for people. Now, when we speak about stress or when you read about stress, it gives a lot of stress. कि, oh my God, मुझे ये हो गया. Oh my God, मुझे भी ये हो सकता है. And then we get getting a lot of
Yeah.
anxiety because of stress, right?
Yeah.
So the goal of the book was to make it feel like a hug from a friend.
Mm-hmm. Hmm.
Okay, but at the same time, it's also a coach which sits on your head and tells you करो ये साथ में.
हाँ. ओके,
Okay,
हाँ, वो चाहिए.
हाँ वो सबको चाहिए, वो मुझे भी लगता है बहुत बार. But it's so all my life people have told me, what the work that I do is very niche. It's very niche. And but this I didn't want to do it for the niche thing. I wanted to democratize the whole thing ताकि सबको फायदा हो. I mean, imagine अगर all of us, okay, just improve our stress levels just by 10%. Just
Mhm.
10%. How much better the world would be.
Okay. That you must be aware of कि how much better would it be?
It'll be much better. बट बिकॉज रिपल इफेक्ट होता है स्ट्रेस रेगुलेशन का। अभी अगर आप
हाँ,
स्ट्रेस्ड
हाँ।
आउट हो, यू विल रियलाइज कि आपके हस्बैंड को भी इरिटेबिलिटी हो सकती है जब आप चिड़चिड़
हाँ।
करोगे, आपकी बेटी को भी हो सकती है। बट इफ यू आर रेगुलेटेड, यू इन्फ्लुएंस सबका नर्वस सिस्टम,
हुँ,
right? Because we are
जी।
all co-regulators. So the
हुँ।
book helps you build that skill of regulating your stress.
Okay, got it. And how can we get this book?
You can order the book through my website or through Amazon.
Okay. And what's
Okay?
your website, Anuja?
It's anujalunia.in/book. You'll get the book.
Okay. Okay. So, is it also the best way to connect with you, or there is some other way?
You can connect with me by DMing me on LinkedIn.
Okay. Okay. So I will put Anuja's LinkedIn and Anuja's website in the show notes so people can
Yes.
get an idea कि कैसे अनुजा से रीच आउट कर सकते हैं, क्या करती हैं और उनकी बुक ज़रूर ले सकते हैं.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
So, Anuja, thank you so much for enlightening us, for this enriching conversation, for talking so openly about so many topics about stress. And I already feel better after talking to you. And I also know that, yes, there are a few things that I need to do and I can do them. ऐसा नहीं है कि stuck हैं हम हमेशा के लिए. We can come out of it धीरे धीरे करके.
आराम
So
से.
thank you. Yes, Anuja. Thank you so much for
My
being in
pleasure.
the podcast.
My pleasure, Maitri. Thank you for having me.